Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and in this mini Unity tutorial I'm going to show you how you can effectively organize your variables in C# so it displays quite nicely in your component inspector panel over here. Don't forget, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon as well, stay up to date with every tutorial I upload to this channel, and with that in mind, let's take a look. So I have a scene set up here. It's fairly nice, simply from the asset store. And I have a game object with loads of different variables all attached, and it's quite messy. Let's be fair, it's quite messy. Best thing we can do is if we head to Visual Studio, and these are all the variables that I have listed, and we can see here, just clicking here, all these are game objects, these are transforms, integers. So what we can do is we can actually give these headers in a cool little way, but it's always best and good practice to keep everything which is relative together. For example, let's move these transform variables closer together. So if I just cut this out, place it here, cut this one, and place it here. And let's take this integer and place it here. And we'll keep these floats together, and let's take these game objects and place them up here. So that's the easy part. Well, it's all easy to be fair, but the best part comes now. We can actually use a header, like I say, to indicate which is which. And to do that, we have in square brackets the word header, and in brackets and quotes what you want to call it. So in this case, these are bookcases, game objects, movable. So we'll just call this generic objects. Okay, and the same can apply again. So in square brackets, header, and in brackets and quotes, whatever you want to call this next bit. So we'll just call this positions. And next we'll go down here. I put positions there. That should be positions. I should learn to spell. So once again, square brackets, header, and brackets and quotes, whatever these are. So these are going to be, what do we have them down as? Transforms. So transforms. You can call these whatever you want, as long as it's relative to whatever you're making. And let's do these header, and in brackets and quotes, let's call this the floats. So you'll see what this does now when I save and head back to Unity. It should make all of this mess sort itself out and look quite neat and tidy as soon as it's compiled. And there we go. Now this actually makes a lot of sense in a lot of different ways, because generally when you're creating a script with a lot of variables, it can get really messy. So it's always great to use that header and just create different sections for each of those variables. I know it's just a quick little tutorial this, but you won't believe the amount of time it will save you if you have these headers and keep everything neat and tidy. Guys, I hope that's helped a little bit, and I hope it's useful for you. So guys, thank you very much for watching.